Alright, sorry for the jittery video. My tripod is broken for my camera here. But anyway, today we're going to look at this Tineco Smart Stick Vacuum. It's the Pure 1 S11 ZT. Alright, looking good. Comes with a bunch of supposed smart features. I did already use this once, and I will tell you that I don't know how smart it actually is. I did try this little dirt meter and all that kind of thing, and I mean, it's cool, but I don't know that it's how effective or how accurate it is. But the vacuum itself has pretty good suction power. I am currently using a Shark stick vacuum like this, and this particular vacuum comes with some attachments that are pretty nifty. I do like this brush here. Let's see if I can show you, get that in focus. You can slide that up and pop it in. This is good for vents and fans and things like that. It does have the little crevice tool thing here that I've got attached to the mounting station. I have not mounted the dock because I don't want to put holes in my wall, and I don't have any command strips, but once this is on the wall here, you can charge a spare battery in here, and the main unit rests in the dock and charges the battery that is in the unit. And I apologize for my setup here. I'm in the office space. So this thing is pretty light. Let's see if I can show you this here. Pretty light. It's very handheld. All right, so you can attach pieces directly to this unit for a short length. You can attach the wand to this and then these, or the main motorized brush down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to the main brush, fire it up, and kind of show you how loud it is and everything, right? So stand by. All right, so I had to turn off the air purifier so that it doesn't contaminate the audio here. But basically, you have a little LED screen and you have a trigger. And all you do is you pull this trigger and hold it, and it fires up. So here it is. Once you let go of the trigger, it turns off. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but this light here is blue and reddish. The red is supposed to indicate how dirty the carpet is, and then it changes to blue when it's clean. Now, I don't know how accurate that is, and I don't know how it detects that, seeing as how there's constant motion with the vacuum. But that is the smart feature that it has, okay? As you can see here, you know, it tells you when it's time to clean the brush, clean the filter, you know, clean the dust sensor, and it's got Wi-Fi capability. I'm not going to go into the great details on all that because I haven't utilized this long enough to warrant hooking it up to my Wi-Fi or whatever. But overall, I mean, it does get the carpet clean. You're not going to get major carpet lines like most heavier vacuums because this is a very light, I mean, it's super light. Okay, so if you're looking for something totally portable, totally light, I mean, my 6-year-old could run this thing by himself. This would be a good option. So check it out. If you're in the market for a new stick vacuum, pretty cool. I like it.